Hello and welcome. I'm going over how to make a 2D bone and have it move. I'll start with making the custom bone scene. This scene will use a bone as a root with a sprite and a remote transform as the child nodes. After setting your sprite, the offset must be moved to the position that you want it to rotate at. The remote transform will move and rotate the sprite with the bone, so it should be moved to the bone's joint. Connect the remote transform to the sprite so the remote can change the sprite's position and rotation. Make sure the remote is the child of the bone so it moves and rotates with it. Make your skeleton and then add your saved bone scenes. I'm making an arm without elbows, so I only need 2 bones. Add a new skeleton modification stack. Then add a new CC modification. This one works best for limbs with multiple bones, where you want to limit how the bones bend. Add a new node which will act as a target for the arm to face. In the mod stack, set the target for the arm, how many bones are part of the skeleton, and then the last bone in the chain that will be looking at the target. Best to rename these bones to avoid confusion when editing later. Upper and lower bones should be good enough names for this. Assign the index of each bone in the skeleton mod. Limbs will need to be constrained to prevent these bones from moving like from the Exorcist, by selecting the enable constraint and then editing the angles. You might need to invert the angles by selecting the constraint angle invert and then adjust the angle sliders until you get the bend that you want. Oh, and don't forget to select the rotate from joint or you get some funky behavior. If the bones look a little disjointed, it's an easy fix. Just make the lower bone the child of the upper bone, and voila! It works like a charm. Now you have a working arm. Now this script will show one way to go about aiming the skeleton with a function, and I'll be using the physics process to demonstrate this function.